Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. What is this box that says Top Ramen on it? Well, you have to be kind of, in the first taste club to be able to get one. So when Nissin Foods USA comes out with a new product, they send certain people boxes that are emblazoned with this first taste club thing on it. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you can just you can try just emailing them or hitting them up on social media and go, dude, can you send me some? But probably not. It's, you have to be kind of, me or somebody else. So, well, the last one we got was their new soy sauce flavored cup noodle very veggie. And it was actually the vegetarian one. So I'm pretty sure I know what's in this one, but I'm not positive. So let's crack it open, see what's inside. Oh my God. Underneath this paper is something. What could it be? What could it possibly be? Oh, that's right. So this is First Taste Club Box 3. So my guess is the first Taste box was probably very veggie. The second one was the vegetarian one. And this is the third one. What's in here? And I was kind of surprised because people, when they first heard that this existed, they were like, have you tried this? And I'm like, no, not yet. I'm hoping they'll send me samples. And they have Top Ramen in a bowl. That I don't know. What does it say here? It says, get ready for some noodle goodness to go. Introducing our new microwavable Top Ramen bowls. Now, no matter where your day takes you, you can enjoy the Top Ramen you know and love anytime, anywhere. Enjoy. Each delicious bowl is customizable, just like at home, with its own veggies and unique flavor sauce inside. Teriyaki for chicken, garlic for shrimp, and sesame for soy sauce. Interesting. So, it comes with a special sauce? Okay, sure enough, it says right here, garlic oil pouch inside. So this has a sachet of garlic oil to go with the shrimp. That's interesting. Microwave directions, yada yada. Wow. They've got the calories without the sauce and with the sauce. Without the sauce it's 370. With the sauce it's 450. So that's an 80 calorie bump for sauce, which is fine with me. I like sauce. Interestingly enough, the sodium does not go up one iota. But yeah, so there's a shrimp, and the soy sauce one has sesame oil with it. You know what these are making me kind of think of is deme ramen. And here's the chicken one with teriyaki sauce, and they all have these little assorted vegetables apparently. I don't know, it seems like sesame would go good in this one, and as well as the other one. I don't know how teriyaki soup is gonna be, but we'll find out, of course. And just like last time, they sent stickers. And not only that, they sent this really cool, it's a shopping bag. Here, check it out. There's happy vegetables on it. This reminds me of Yo Gabba Gabba, the whole there's a party in my tummy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's okay. Well, super cool. Thank you very much. I really have thought for a long time that Top Ramen hasn't gotten the attention from Nissin that other things have, and it's just Top Ramen is such a ubiquitous US product that it's definitely deserves as much attention as it can get. So this is nice to see, and I'm very curious about trying these, and I will be shortly. So yeah. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.